Hi students, in this video we will create MapCheck report in AutoCAD Civil 3D. You can also compute closure based MapCheck report based on line, curve and parcel segment labels. As you can see, we have already completed a parcel segment in our drawing, which we already practiced in the previous exercises. We all already done for translate survey from assumed coordinates to original coordinate, which you can visit for the previous exercises. You can download this drawing from the description link, and when you will open you can get this parcel segment here. So after opening this drawing you can skip to survey tab. Here we have MapCheck. When you will click here on MapCheck, you can see here we have one MapCheck report, which I will select and close. I will create new MapCheck report. Okay, now here you can see it's a command new MapCheck. When you will click on it, you can enter the name of MapCheck record date. So record date, then press enter. Here you can see it's asking for point of beginning. Now it's our point of beginning. When we will select, it will highlight it. Now it's asking select a label, which have two options, clear and new. We have already label on our line. We will select this line, and now you can see our direction. Yes, it's fine. According to our parcel, we are going here. If you prompt to reverse, like if you want to go here but it is showing the direction of the line here, then you can select here for reverse. Here I will select new labels. Yes, it's also fine. Every label of the line which you want to add in your MapCheck, you will select. Here you can select. You can see it is following our direction of the lines. If your bearing or you can say your label are flip according to Civil 3D, then maybe it will take a reverse direction, so you can switch on reverse from here. Just select another label. Here we have small segment of the parcel. Select this, it's also fine. So again select here. All labels you can select to complete your parcel. I'm doing that for parcel, but you can do that for any line, any curve. And then here I have last segment of the parcel. Now here in the report you can check. Here we have to total para, total 12 side here. Then just press enter to finish your MapCheck report. Let me remove that here. And here in our drawing you can see here we have output. When you will click here, you can see output view. So it will show everything here in report, and here you can see output view of your parcel according to your MapCheck report. Hope you like this video. If you want to learn advanced Civil 3D, then you can stay connected here for more videos.